I'm sweating my balls off here. No, Federico.
Ok.
No, 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 no.
Prendo tempo perché devo riuscire a
The key's
aprire.
not working. I schlepped up here for nothing. I'm telling you. This is not going to go well.
Wow!
The bells. The bells. The bells. Well, already I'm not in because there's bells.
Let's do an intro.
Hi. Is this convincing?
It was.
I'm schwitzy. I don't know about you, but he's like, yeah, I'm dying. So we are here in Equi Terme. We're going to look at this very special property. How many bedrooms? Camera di letto?
Allora, c'è una camera,
Okay.
un bagno, una sala con cucinotto.
One person, two people, that's
Sì.
it. We walked all the way up here, I'm sorry, to see a hotel suite.
Sì, questa può essere una suite.
Okay, but let's go in and take a look, shall we? I'm going to
Giardino.
also tell you one thing about me that you should know, and that is I never buy a property where I have to, and this is my vertigo, where I have to look up at the mountain. It really makes me feel claustrophobic. It really does. It really messes with my head. I've seen a lot of properties where you look up to see the mountain, and it's not for me. It might be for you, but it is not for me. I know this seems like a very whiny tour, which it is, but I'm just being really honest with you. All right, but we're gonna go see it because he loves it, this guy. So let's go see what he likes. Quanto costa questo?
75.
75,000 euros.
Ci sono tutti questi angolini per dire se vai di
He can't
sopra,
open it, so we're just gonna
piccola
see it.
corte. Prendo tempo perché devo riuscire
The
a
key's
aprire.
not working. I schlepped up here for nothing. I'm telling you, this is not gonna go well. You know, most of my tours go well. I'm just telling you, I'm out here. I literally could fry an egg on my head right now. I'm melting.
Ok.
Ah, bravo.
Non è finita?
I'm not finished. Oh, no.
No, perché il bello soprattutto è stare in questo giardino, questa corte.
God, he is so positive. Oh, yeah, the door sounds good.
Sì, ora è rimasto chiuso,
E
sì.
questa non, that's not good. Yeah.
Un camino.
This is a hard no for me, like just walking in, because a spiral staircase, I once cut off my toe on a spiral staircase. This is a hard no for me. You can go around with him.
Ma di
What's
sopra
up?
una camera, ma è stato fatta apposta, c'è un'apertura che si va in giardino.
It's very tiny. Not good. But it's cool in here. So that's good. What is that in there? Is that the kitchen? That is a closet. Why don't you guys go and tour this around? It's very tiny. Someone out there might love this, so I feel like we should film it. For me personally, it's a no. Only because I really am afraid of spiral staircases and I don't like looking up and about. So it doesn't have barking dogs or goats, but it does have that. So she's trapped. Oh, oh, I don't think I've ever seen this happen before. Claire went upstairs to film in this house, and now she's stuck. She cannot get down. Oh my God, Claire, Jesus, Mary and Joseph. hot as hell, so we're working our tuchuses off and sweating like heck. So if you would be so kind to like and subscribe, hit that button. Can't even put my finger up, I'm so hot. No, Federico.
Ok.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No.
Però Annette, vedi qua, c'è un terrazzo
I'm
privato
not going up there.
con la
No.
porta. Questa è la porta della camera che non
No.
abbiamo visto.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Questa è tutta proprietà. Qui
No.
l'ideale è leggere un libro.
And that's given up, so I'm going to tour the garden for you guys. It's a big garden. I mean, it's all built on the side of a hill, so you don't really get many big spaces. Storage space behind me. There's more steps going up there, but I am not venturing up there in this heat. So you've got a little courtyard, and you've got a balcony off the, I was going to say main bedroom, but it is the only bedroom. This is precarious, and I might die. I don't want to step on that, because it's probably... Bear with. There we go. I'm like a mountain goat.
This is the stupidest house I've ever seen in my life. First of all, if you weigh over 200 pounds, you cannot live here
E qui aperitivo.
because you can't get up the stairs. I mean, I can't get up the stairs. I think the ideal customer, the ideal person to live here is someone that likes to climb, a climber, someone that likes to live in the middle of nature. And I think obviously it can't be someone over 6 foot because it's very tiny. But yeah, thank you for bringing me here, Federico.
Thank you a te,
How many
Annette.
thumbs do you think this gets? Quanti? Due.
Due.
Oh, wow, even he says 2. Anyway, thank you so much. If you've gotten this far, please like and subscribe. And thank you, Federico, for taking me on the hike from hell. Okay, we are in Equi Terme. Equi Terme is very cool, home of thermal baths. They have a wonderful spa, swimming pool.
Qui ci sono tutte queste sculture.
Oh, he wants to show you the marble sculptures here. Oh, I want to jump in the pool. I mean, screw the tours. Let's go swimming. So this is where the spa is. It's extremely retro. Because of privacy, actually just some lady in charge. You know, you put someone in charge of something, they're gonna say no. So she said we couldn't see the pool, which is fine because it doesn't look any different to me, which I'm a little depressed about. Full disclosure, that billboard, pretty fabulous. We'll see. I mean, I truly hope that they will do that to this place, but I'll probably be dead before it happens. So we're heading towards the pools. The natural pools, which I like. This is the hotel over here, and this hotel needs some love. I mean, I'm sorry. Now, if Frank brought me here, it would be bad. I have no words for this either. This is what I'm trying, it's so sad. I mean, a developer would come in and just like nab this up and like whoosh it, you know? It just takes forever. It's
Sarà tutto riqualificato.
sometimes this is very frustrating. And a lot of this, he was saying, has to do with paperwork. It has to be requalified as a hotel. And, you know, it takes, you know, probably 10 years and then it falls down. I mean, it's just crazy.
No, più veloci.
I feel like I should buy this hotel and make it very Wes Anderson. Because it is. I'm going in. Don't catch me slipping and falling. Oh, ooh, nice. Oh, that feels so good. It does, because it's a very, very hot day today.
Bellissimo.
Oh my God. All right.
Fantastico.
Oh, it's really nice and cold. It's great for my feet. My swollen feet from this wonderful weather we're having. So these are all natural springs. This is cold, so it comes out of the river, then they dam it up ahead, and there are pools there that people hang out in. It's very cool here. And, you know, it's nature's air conditioning. Everybody's got their shoes off, except for Federico.
Yes.
He's allergic to water. I love it here. Oh, this feels good. Can I just stand here for 3 or 4 hours? Doesn't it feel good on your feet?
Buona. Fresca.
Correct, I'm standing in it, Captain Obvious. I guess we're gonna go to the house now. Carry me.
Ora andiamo a vedere la casa in questo
Carry
posto
me.
incredibile. Un paradiso.
There's a lot of promises here. He's gonna have to do a lot to beat this. Oh, look at this. How cute is this?
Wow.
Wow. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing. I know.
Wow.
That's so
Prosciutto manca.
Wow. Look at the mele, look at the honey. Oh, this is amazing. Fantastico questo. Complimenti. I feel like I need one of these, but I didn't bring my wallet with me. Do you think that he would buy me a present? I deserve a present, don't you think? So if you come to Equi Terme and you walk up into the borgo, into the village, you'll find Paolo and his wares, and he makes everything. You know, I could find shopping anywhere, even in a medieval borgo. All right, this is fabulous.
E i leoni, anche nei palazzi a Fivizzano troviamo i leoni. Cosa
Ask me if
caratteristica?
I care.
Was this the house? Questa casa?
Oh no, we're still walking. So we're filming in July. Forever's watching this in December. It's 180 degrees outside. And this one, I mean, he's like the Energizer Bunny. He's like Arnold Schwarzenegger. He just keeps going. No complaining. I'm like bitching the entire time. Oh, I'm so hot. I'm so hot.
Ci vuole un caffè
Look
più
at
tardi.
him. Look at him.
Alle 5.
He's so happy.
Andiamo. Come on.
Come on.
Ok. Qui si trovano tante ruote che erano
What the f***?
rini.
Dove è questa casa?
La casa andiamo.
Okay. I mean,
Siamo appena arrivati a Net, meno male che abbiamo preso
look at
Coca-Cola.
my eyeliner is like coming down my face. I mean, it's like, are you kidding me? This is like the Spanish Inquisition here. Okay, let's go.
Andiamo. Questo è un
I feel like
cammino
it's the
bello.
Amazing Race with Federico. This better be good because it's very stinky.
È la zampa dell'orso preistorico.
Right, this is the prehistoric sign of I don't know what. What's he doing? I just want to see the house now. I'm very sweaty. I've had it. I'm gonna like lay down. Oh my God. Oh, this feels so good. Oh.
Ah,
I'm tired. I want to go home.